This video is an introduction to sequences with a heavy focus on new vocabulary. What is a sequence? It is an ordered list of numbers. Each number in the sequence is known as a term. So down here are some examples of sequences. You'll notice each term is separated by a comma. So here we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Here we have 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96. They all have their own pattern, and it's often fun and necessary to find out what that pattern is. So there are two types of sequences. There are finite sequences and infinite sequences. Finite sequences start and stop. They have a limited number of terms. So some examples are down here. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and that's it. That's the sequence. 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96. That is the sequence. However, infinite sequences start and never stop. They have an infinite number of terms. So some examples down here are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And what tells me this is infinite is this comma and dot, dot, dot right here. That is what tells me this sequence goes on forever. Here we have 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96, comma, dot, dot, dot. I know this goes on forever. Here we don't have comma, dot, 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 so I know it's a finite sequence. Sequence terms use natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? Pretend like you're counting for hide and seek. You would start at 1 and continue on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe you're counting to 20. Maybe you're counting forever. I don't know what kind of game of hide and seek you're playing. So let's look at this example of a sequence down here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, comma, dot, dot, dot. So this first number on the left is our first term. This second number is our second term. This number here, 6, is our third term. This number, fourth term. This number, fifth term. And if we kept going on and on and on, we would just keep going up in the term numbers. So one more thing. I want to show you sequence notation, which uses subscripts. Subscripts are these numbers that are like kind of under the letter. They're like next to and kind of under. So here the 1, 2, 3, and the n are subscripts. Now when you look at A subscript 1, this just means your first term of the sequence. A subscript 2 means your second term of the sequence, and so on and so forth. So here I wrote A1 is the first term, A sub 2 is the second term, A sub 3 is the third term, A sub n is the nth term, where n can be any natural number. A sub n usually refers to any term in the sequence, and we will cover that more in later videos. So just real quick, another way to write these term numbers here is like this. This one is n equals 1, this one is n equals 2, this one is n equals 3, and so on and so forth. One more thing I want to show you is how this says a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, dot, dot, dot. Well here, our a sub 1 is right here. This is our a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5, comma, dot, dot, dot. They should all have commas in between. So for example, a sub 1 is 2, and this is where n equals 1. Or for example, a sub 4 is 8, and that's where n equals 4. So try to connect all those things, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.